you'd put the bayonet on this side of the shotgun, and you'd actually have a pioneer, one of their slaves. So you had a slave, hold the bayonet. Yeah. The bayonet wasn't used for stabbing. It was used for centricating the force of the eggs when you fired them. They go all the way down the bayonet and they spill out. And that's what caused the shotgun to be the shotgun, because they spill out and they go all over, embed themselves in the ancient pioneers, take over their bodies, and then eat them for sustenance.
Really impressive stuff. Really
amazing stuff. I don't know how. Evolution didn't change them, they changed evolution. That's what happened there.
Pretty great.
Ancient history at its finest. I had my history all wrong.
You had it all.
Yeah.
I don't understand
this whole
what they're
time.
teaching in schools anymore, but
The schools are just a big joke, really.
no one even knows what the ancient pioneers were.
Pioneers,